Hey ladies, I do a street photography channel. Can I take your picture real quick?
What's it for?
It's a street photography channel. I walk around, take photos.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. Just like lined up like that is perfect.
Okay.
Let's see here. Make sure what I got here. Okay, and I'll send you a few copies of them if you want. Kind of mark your day here, and then it'll be a YouTube video too. So.
Awesome.
Okay, here we go. One more like this. Look down like that. Make sure. Okay, cool. Okay, my number's on there. Just text me like 3 girls. Okay, you're only 3 girls that I shot today like that. So just text me 3 girls, and I'll send you the photos. Should be a few days, and then the video probably a week or so.
Awesome, thank you.
Thanks, ladies. Appreciate it. Hey guys, back downtown Indianapolis once again. Where else would we be with COVID season up on us? And again, looking forward to 2021 when maybe they'll open the world back up and can get out to some other places and get some photos. But for right now, of course, we are in our own lovely backyard of downtown Indianapolis as always. I'm not sure what number video this is, but again, typically when I do a photo walk, I'll end up with about 3 photos out of each photo walk. And boy, I don't know if you can hear me now. It's pretty loud out here, but it is the Sunday, actually the Sunday after Election Day, so no chaos. Fortunately, it looks quite busy out here today, so I'm looking forward to getting some shots. And actually, rev it up, brother. Actually, where I'm standing right now, there's not a lot of people, but where I came in from down to the south, where Lucas Oil Stadium is, where the Colts are playing right now, the Baltimore Ravens. I normally would be sitting and watching, but it's just been such a weird season, weird year that, and this is more important to me right now. So you guys are more important than the football game right now. So I'm hoping that you'll appreciate that. That deserves a like, doesn't it? I don't know. Like, unlike, subscribe. That's what I'm here for. If you guys weren't watching, I wouldn't be doing these. So I really do appreciate you guys watching. And hey, it's getting active down here, so I'm going to get out and get some shots, and hopefully we'll get some good ones from today. I do appreciate you guys checking it out, tuning in. Make sure. Only in the Midwest, brother. Only in the Midwest. There we go. So once again, guys, make sure and share it if you get the opportunity to. Anybody you think might like this, I appreciate it. And oh, yesterday, by the way, I came down here and forgot my GoPro. So that really sucked. So I came back down today. That's how much I wanted to get these in there. Like I said, each time I come down, I might get about 3 videos out of it. So that's about 3 weeks worth of video. I did not want to miss that. It's a beautiful day. It's 70-some degrees down here in Indianapolis today, the middle of November. That's just insane. So I'm taking advantage of it. Got down here, got some more shots. So a lot more videos in the can, guys. And as you can hear, man, people going by me, things happening. So I'm going to get out here and check it out. So hang in there with me and check it out with me. All right, guys, we'll see you in a bit. All right, free parking on Sundays. I did not know that. That's awesome. Okay, guys, making sure I got my camera set up right here. Today we are going on 1/500th of a second for our shutter. And 7.1 on our aperture. We are on auto ISO up to 1600, and we have our snap focus set at 1.5 meter, and I am on snap focus only. It's not the full snap focus, it's the snap focus in the camera, so there's only snap focus. You can also, with the new update, use your touch screen for that, but that would be weird to walk around and do that sort of thing. It would almost be more obvious than this. Just to get started here, guys, one more time for those of you just joining us for the first time in this video, or our video series, we've got our JJC thumb grip. I know a lot of you have praised me for this, have loved me for this, have sent out all kinds of affection for this. I couldn't live without it, and I'm glad I was able to turn you all onto that. That's the JJC thumb grip. It is in the description below. It allows you to hold the camera like this if you want, or like this, or like this, like this. It's an excellent thing to have. Also, we've got our GA coupler here. This is this goes on your lens, protects your lens with a UV filter there. I just leave that on there all the time. I never take it off. And again, I also usually hold the camera like this so that I can just get a quick shot like this. Maybe bend down like this and do something like that, and just all kinds of neat stuff. So as we walk around, we've got some really cool sun here, and we're going to get some cool shots. I usually want to shoot inside so we don't get the cars. things like that. So let's see what we get here. Just like that.
Which, are they in there anyhow?
Of course, I've got my shadow down there. Well, we got some major shadow going here today. Here's what I'm looking like, all black. So with the GoPro right here. So we'll see what we get, guys. Here we go. Again, you usually don't want to shoot out this way into the street because you get the cars that kind of dates the video. Usually if you can shoot into the in like that, I'm going to check and see what I've been coming up with here. Okay, there we go. I shoot in color because I do all of my editing in Lightroom. Boy, we got some neat shadows here. I'm going to turn around and walk back. This guy's this way, so I'm going to turn my camera this way. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to go across the street and see if I can get this dude here right in front of this truck. Okay, this guy's all decked out really cool. Hey man, how you doing? I do street photography. You look kind of cool there. Can I take the picture?
Absolutely.
Excellent, excellent. Let me get you here with the backdrop. Man, I'll send these to you free if you want to send me an email.
Sure.
I'm gonna get one close up here. You just got a very good look going on here. Here's my, but if you want to text me there, what's your name?
James.
James, text me and I'll send you over.
Okay,
Thank you. Very cool. So you can be pretty bold about it. Most people don't mind. I just need to come up with a better, I think I've come up with it. I shoot street photography. I don't know. It's weird. It's just weird. It's hard to say. It's hard to do. You want to blurt it all out to them and you feel a little weird doing it. Okay, so we've got some sun over there, so I want to go ahead and go this way. Got 8 seconds to cross. Okay, don't want to shoot in the street, don't want to get the cars if possible. I think I need to crank my ISO up a little bit. Okay, hoping that all comes out. Never know what you're getting until you got it. Just a beautifully warm day out, unusually warm. Again, it's the weekend after the election. Not sure if I said the day after, it's the weekend after. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. Oh, cool. Hey guys, how you doing? I do street photography. I just took a picture of the back of your vest because it was really neat. Can I get a picture of you from the front? I just walk around and do street photography of the city and all the interesting people.
Where do you put them up at?
Here, I tell you what, let me get on this side because the sun's back here. I'm sorry. There we go, just like that's fine. It was just a neat shot from the back there with the, there we go. And if you guys want to, there's my number if you text me. And what's your name?
Sanders.
Sandy?
Sanders.
Sanders. Just text me Sanders and I'll send you. I got 4 or 5 good shots there. Absolutely. Thanks, guys. Hey, there's Road Dog brand. RoadDog.com. Hard at work.
I'll take an orange truck. Or no, you know what? I'm going to take it where I like it. You want to take it?
What's up, Road Dog?
What's up, baby?
Working hard, are you?
Thank you. Hey, come back now, man. Appreciate you. Yep.
Always got to stop and see the hardest working man downtown. Right on, brother.
How you doing, man?
Doing well, enjoying the weather.
It's a beautiful day, brother.
Take care, man.
Oh, so
part of town where there are no people. Motorcycle people. Let's shoot the people on the motorcycle. How about that? Okay. Look at this guy here. There we go. I almost panned that. I don't know if that'll come out or not. I tried to pan that. Just cool light. Let's see if I do this. I act like I'm taking that picture and get this shot. Let's see if I can get a. Not sure what we got there. I don't know. Let's see if we can get this dude's picture. Hey man, how you doing? I do street photography. Walk around, get interesting people. Can I take your picture?
Yeah.
Just sit just like that, man. Right on, right on. Yeah, go ahead and smoke it. Just take a hit off that again. Right. Keep doing that one more time. Here we go. All right, let me get one from over here. Excellent. Here, man, if you want a copy of them, just shoot me a text.
Right on.
What's your name?
Tanner.
Tanner? Right on. It's a
Like
YouTube.
they say.
Oh, thanks, man. It's a YouTube video also. So,
Right on.
so we'll get your bikes and pub there, man. Excellent. All right, guys, have a good one. All right, well, we'll shoot these guys real quick as well. Hey, man, mind if I get a shot, bike?
Yeah, go ahead.
Right on. Stand up there by it. I like that green, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Right on. Right on. Thanks. Take care. Oh, scooters. There we go. Get this dude over here sucking on his ice cream cone. Active day today. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so that was a stealthy one. Hopefully that came out. He wasn't supposed to notice. Cool light over there, but okay, comes the dude here. Let's see if I get this, get him lined up right there. Go over here so I can get him like this. Get these people. Right on. Okay, so I'm gonna act like this. Then you get it set. You usually need to point it first so you get the exposure set. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for whoops. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in, checking it out. Make sure and tell a friend. Please subscribe, please like, make sure to leave a comment, and we got more videos in the can, so we've got more coming up. Hang in there. Thanks guys, take care.